If you're a retailer, you may not care one bit about web design, and I get it. But there's one thing about web design that you really need to know, because this simple thing changes everything about your business ranking locally in Google, which gets more people to find you for your products and services that you offer, which is the whole point of a website anyway. So I'm going to show you in this couple-minute video exactly what you need to pay attention to, because if your website does not have this happening, then you're missing out on potential traffic from Google that's people looking for exactly what you sell or the services you offer. Let me show you this. Okay, check it out. I'm going to walk you through a few different websites that we built and we manage with dedicated digital marketing specialists for independent retailers just like you. If you're interested in us building and managing you a professional website that gets you more customers, click on the link below to New Media Retailer to talk to our sales team. So what I'm going to show you here's a few different examples. I used pet stores as an example of pet stores that we built and managed these professional websites for them that help them get local customers. There's a lot of things going on here under the hood that we make happen, but I'm going to hone in on one specific thing today. What I'm going to do is go over here to the services, and under the dropdown, they offer a bunch of services like grooming. I'm going to go over to this business. I'm going to go under the services, and let's just say, what would be cool? How about the Woof Wash? That's pretty cool. Or let's say the Woof Meow training or their playground. That's cool. So here's all the training page that they offer at their business. Let's go over here to this business where we have departments. Let's check out these departments. How about dog treats? Okay, here's the dog treats and the brands and linked to other pages. What do you notice going on for all of these businesses? They have pages that represent the important things about their business. Now you might say, oh, wow, Keegan, okay, pages on a website. Guess what? When I look at small business websites, especially retail websites, they will have one page that says everything. So they'll have one page that says on that page, we have dental clinics and grooming and curbside pickup and self-grooming. They'll have one page on their website that says these are our services. We have a bakery and a pool and a wash and all that. Or they say there's one page on their website that has all their departments with no other detail pages. A detail page is where you specifically have a page on your website about that exact thing. Why does that matter? That matters a ton. Because when Google's looking at your website, it's looking for pages that it will rank for things. So if you just have one page that has all your services and a competitor or a different website has a dedicated page on their website all about that, that page is going to get priority in most instances. Versus if your business offers local delivery, let's say, of products. If you have a page on your website that says hardware or pet supply local delivery, and then on that page, you describe with pictures, videos potentially, and lots of text all about your local delivery service in Norwich, New York for pet supplies. And you make it really relevant, talking about how and where you deliver pet supplies, what your terms are, the different areas of the city of Norwich that you go to, how fast your delivery is, and you have one dedicated page. Then guess what? That's the best thing for Google to bring up when someone in your market is searching for local pet food delivery or local pet supply delivery. Now Google's like, aha, I've got the perfect website and perfect page to bring up for that person. It's this dedicated page all about that one thing that they want to rank for. So what matters and what's your takeaway? Go to your website and look at the areas where you've taken the services that you offer and you've jumbled them all into one page, instead of taking the time to build a dedicated page on your website for each of those things you care about showing up for. That gives you the best chance, and for many of you, doing that will get you to rank in the top result on Google for local searches, just by having dedicated pages about the things you care about ranking for. So that's your web design tip. Whether you like web design or not, you don't have to do it. If you're working with New Media Retailer, we're already thinking about that and doing it for you. If you're not, click on the link below to talk to our sales team. And if you're doing it on your own, talk to your web developer and say, hey, we've really got to actually have pages on our website for each of these services or each of these product lines that we offer to help us rank better in Google. Thanks for joining me. Stick around because we've got more great tips for retailers to help you grow your business with digital marketing. Talk to you in the next video.